Hi, I am Cyril from Alchemy Software support, and I am going to show you the Navigator window and its new features introduced in Catalyst 2021. The Navigator window is by default located on the left-hand side. It contains all the files and folders which have been inserted in your project using the insert functions. It behaves just like your Windows File Explorer in that you can expand and collapse the contents of folders and resources to see the contents. And clicking on individual resources automatically refreshes recursively the string list of the contents. If I click on a folder, I see all the strings contained within the files of that folder. Or if I click on an individual file, I will see only the strings from that file. The columns on the right-hand side display the status which may be applied to individual files and resources, and those columns can be turned on and off with this button. Here, this particular file has been set as frozen, and now the contents are displayed in red to indicate to users that those segments are not currently for translation, they are frozen. Other examples are resources found within this Catalyst executable file have been set as a priority and maybe should be translated first. The statuses are applied by clicking on any resource and selecting to freeze a resource, add a memo, set a priority, or to be extracted as original. The exported status is only applied after using the division expert. New in Catalyst 2021, we have the file count included in the project title. Here we have 7 files inserted into our project. Also new in Catalyst 2021, the ability to expand and collapse all the nodes using the Control key. While I hold the Control key, I can collapse all the contents or automatically expand all the files. This is a very useful feature when you have numerous files in your project. And furthermore, you can look and filter for specific contents, entering text below. For example, if I'm looking for any file which includes the word filter, I can type it in and it will display automatically all the files or folders which include the search term. You can also copy the Navigator tree path and file name of any resource by right-clicking on it and selecting to copy file path only, copy file path and name, or copy file name only. The result copied to Notepad would look like this respectively. Clear the filter by pressing the button. Note that the ability to filter the contents is extended to the result window. Let's insert another file to demonstrate. This WPF file outputs some feedback in the result window after insertion. First, I can search just like in a Navigator window for any word, for example, assembly. There is further filtering available in the result window with those 3 buttons at the top. There are 3 types of messages which can be displayed in this window: general information, warnings, and errors. There are not currently any errors in my result window, but we can remove, for example, any general information, concentrating on just showing the warnings. This is handy when you have long cumbersome results listed and you wish to look for particularly maybe some warnings or even errors. I hope you've enjoyed this exploration of the Navigator window and the result window and its features.